No, I'm not. No, this bit's you. I need it all. It's all accounted for. All accounted. I need that bit. I know exactly what I'm gonna do with that. I don't. Dude, I would quite happily. Here. Go on ahead. Go on ahead. You got it there. Go on ahead. Oh. I would quite happily share some cosplay with you. Quite happily. I'm only saying that really because I just know it's not possible. You know. You'll have to praise it from my cold, dead fingers. I see ya. Stand down, see ya. It's all good. Stand down. Stand down. We're good. Once that sword comes out, it has to taste blood. Don't be pulling that. Don't be pulling that out now. It has to taste blood once it's been drawn. But oh, Cosmic Papa, you missed such a night last night, dude. Unreal. 2 hype trains in one night. I hear Matthew, bring it. As do your needles, I. Bicky, yeah, face is already baked. Face is already baked, yeah. That's amazing, very happy how you deserve the hype. Cheers, man. Cheers. Matches the work. Oh, man. Appreciate it, man. See ya, I know, hype train. That's what I was saying, see ya. That was, from last night, that was 3 hype trains in 2 streams. And on Wednesday, sure, it was a level 5 hype train. I'm not quite sure what that means, but I just know it's good. That's why glue is needed. Bicky, see